Hi guys, it's Christina from Redefine Creative, and I am back with an unboxing video for the Clique Kits September kit. And so I am super excited to be sharing with you everything that comes inside this kit and kind of some of my first impressions. This one is a little bit different for Clique Kits, and I actually really like that. So it's a little bit more like unique combination of things, and there's some really cute combinations of collections in this kit. And so I think it's going to be really, really fun to work with. So we're going to go ahead and start with the paper. So we have this really great kind of pinkish peach watercolor paper, and this is from Craft, the Fleur collection. This one's called Sweetie. And then it has this really great kind of tile mosaic black and white on the back. So both sides of this, super usable and fun. Then we also have another one from the Fleur collection from Craft. This one is called Kindness. And I love that this is like getting a 6x6 paper pad. So you're kind of getting 4 different patterns of 6x6, all in these really kind of vibrant colors. So we've got black and white, we've got this kind of pinkish color, we've got some mustard and some really great greens. And so this is going to be really fun to kind of move us through that transition into fall. And then we've got a great white with a black kind of messy polka dots on the back. So that is definitely very usable as well. And then we also have this one, which is XOXO, also from Craft's Fleur collection, which just has these black and white messy stripes. And if you know me, I adore black and white diagonal and any kind of stripes, really. So this one with horizontal stripes is super usable, super fun for me. And then we have just a pale pink on white kind of floral here on the back. So that one also is super fun. All right, this one is from Craft Fleur again, called Heartfelt. And so this side is just 3x4 card cut-aparts that you can definitely use in pocket pages or in your regular scrapbooking. You can never have too much happiness. Let your true self shine. Forever is composed of now. So really, really great, fun cards. And then the back also has a really great pattern. This kind of whitish cream background with some hand-drawn hearts. And then a really fun branding strip at the bottom. Today is the day to start living your dreams. So I really like that one. Definitely want to play with that. Also from Fleur, we have Hello, which is kind of a really awesome take on a floral. So we've got pinkish and green flowers, and then we've got mustard leaves. And it's different. It's a lot different than any of the other florals that are out there right now. And so I really, really like that. I think it'll be super fun to work with. And then it has this really kind of vibrant green marble paper on the back, which is also super, super, super pretty. All right, another floral also from Fleur called Lovable. And this is that same kind of pattern that you saw in the 6x6 blocked paper, but it has the mustard background this time. Very fun to have that option. And then this side is super usable for a background. So we just have kind of yellow, that mustardy yellow paint splatters all over a pink background. So you can tell so far this color palette, it's awesome. It's moving us into fall, but not like drastic steps into fall. And I like that. All right, this one is from Webster's Pages, The Good Life, and it's called Natural Wrapping. So we've got this black and white kind of buffalo print pattern, which I can use with anything. I love black and white and red and black buffalo plaid. And then a super gorgeous, 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 gorgeous wood grain on the back. And so we've kind of got this like, not really chevron, more like a herringbone almost pattern. All different kinds of color to that wood grain. So that is super pretty. And it goes really well with the contrast of that mustard. All right, this one is from Simple Stories. It's called Always and Forever Collection, I Love Us. So this is from, I believe this was their wedding collection, but this is definitely could be used for anything. So we've got a black and white kind of broader stripe with gold metallic polka dots, which is really fun. And then the back is just a black paper with white polka dots. So that one will be pretty too. Then we have another one from Webster's Pages, the Good Life collection. This is Good Life Sketch. So yay, anytime we have a diagonal stripe, I'm in love. So we've got that really great green and then the black. And then this side, I don't know how I'm going to choose which side to use. I may have to cut this in half so I can use both sides. A white background with black kind of sketches, and this is just a really great paper for tying this whole collection together. And then last but not least, also from The Good Life by Webster's Pages, this is called The Good Garden. So we've got this real bright yellow lemon paper on one side, and then this really amazing floral on the other side. So black background with really, really bright detailed florals. So those are kind of all going to be the papers in this collection. They all coordinate really well. So your pinks from the Floor collection and the Good Life collection are going to coordinate. They're not going to be off in tone so that you have a hard time using them together. All right, we also have the 8.5 by 11 sheet of cut aparts that are designed this month by Celia Moore. And so we have all the different kind of sizes of cut apart cards. We've got some tags and some tickets, and those all coordinate perfectly as well. Then we also have from Pink Fresh Studio, this is from a case of the Blahs, the Puffy Alpha stickers. And I've used this alpha a few different times and I absolutely love it. So I'm really thrilled to get another package of that. We also have some foil tags from Jilly Bean Soup, and there are, I believe, 6 of these that come in a pack. And so we've got happy, thanks, XOXO, hello, and love, and enjoy. And these are all in craft, which is going to go kind of perfectly with everything going on in this collection, and it works really well with that, matching up with that wood grain. We also have some black with white text phrase stickers. These are from Savannah Dreams, Birdie Told Me, and they are in black. And so that's going to be a really great way to kind of tie in the black and white elements that are going on throughout the collection. We also have an ephemera pack. This one is from the Floor collection. We're getting the entire pack this month, which I always love, is awesome. And so let me pull this open because I don't think Kaiser Craft really does a great job of showing you all the pieces on the back. And there are, I was looking for, it says 54 or more. So we've got kind of repeated, lots of little florals, some tags, you got this, some banners. I'm not going to show you everything, but more tags, some little hearts. These are cute. We've got some words, thankful, simply amazing, XOXO, some more little tabs, sweetest memories, more of those florals, laugh, love, repeat, you have my heart. So you kind of get the theme here, sort of this I love you, thankful, happy, sweet theme. And then we have our little baggie of goodies. And so inside here, we have 2 of these gold floral detailed safety pins. And those are from Jen Hadfield. We have some chipboard circular kind of button type things. Live, love, laugh. Welcome. That one's got a star. This is a partial pack of these. These are from Fancy Pants in the new Magnolia Moments collection. Love You, Home Sweet Home. So it looks like everybody's going to get a partial pack of those, so you may get different patterns than what I got. I also have some black, white, silver, kind of creamish colored sequins. So those are going to be fun to incorporate. I love it when we have some like brighter paper. So we've got some pink, we've got some of that bold green, we've got some mustard. And then I can include some more black and white little details with it. So I love that already. And then we have our 2 little flare badges. So we have a black and white kind of distressed looking plaid. And then we have one that says Feel the Love that kind of has brought together all the colors. So we've got the mustard, the pink, and then that real nice green. So those are the 2 flare badges. And so that is going to be the main kit for the month of September for Clique Kits. And so I have left you a link down below if you want to pick up this kit so that you can play along with me this month, as I will definitely be sharing with you what I am creating because I am in love with the colors along with the black and white. It is absolutely my style, and so I can't wait to jump in and play, and I'll see you soon. Bye!